Here we are at the 160 Folsom project in downtown San Francisco with a beautiful view of the Bay Bridge right behind me. Designed by Jeannie Gang of Studio Gang and developed by Tish and Spire, this 40-story building has a spiraling effect that really captures the eye as you come over the Bay Bridge into downtown San Francisco.
160 Folsom is a typical example of how Permastelisa leveraged the global approach. In fact, the project has been designed for our design office in Minneapolis in the States, has been then produced in Italy, where we have the metal panel expertise of the group, and in Thailand, where we produce all the infills and visual units. We all use the same software. We have a PMF software that we develop internally that ensure that we're not missing any detail in any of our building and make the supply chain smooth and lean to ensure the less cost for the project itself. This is one of the Spanrel panels produced by the Italian facility. We have 5 different types of angles. The angles can be located on the right side or on the left side of the panels, and we have 2 configurations, a soffit like this one or a coping like the other one on the buildings. The main challenges that the Italian facility has to overcome were for sure dimensions and flatness of the panels. As you can see, those panels are perfectly flat. The criteria is 2/1000, and each unit has been QC in the factory. Another big challenge was the finishing of those panels. Given the dimension, it doesn't exist a typical facility to finish those panels. Therefore, Permastelisa developed with a local supplier in Italy a technique coming from the aerospace industry in order to finish and to make those panels look perfect.
As you can see, there's 5 or 6 different connection points that hook on to our spandrel anchors. There's a wind load and a dead load already built into the system. The foil face tape acts as a vapor barrier that actually covers the anchor system, and the panel itself ranges from 800 to almost 1,000 pounds depending on the bay. Because there's 6 different spandrel anchors, in order to get the proper alignment, you need to set the unit above and laser shoot every single point in order to assure that we're not only plumb, that we're plumb with the unit above. This will allow us to install these vision panels very simply with just hand cups and more of a window wall system.